Alright, so check this out. I'm on my way to the store, and look who's following me. My boy. Yeah, they follow me everywhere I go. See how low he is? Well, it's not as low as the government was to the water, but anyways, that's part one of this 3-part video. I will be back when I get up at the store. Isn't that crazy? So check it out. I decided not to go to the store. See, that's a real invisible mode. But I stopped. I'm like not even halfway to the store, and look who's coming to follow me. Look who's following my guy. Guess who that is? The government. He's following this guy because this guy is following me. And here's the moon, and it's, I don't know, I guess it's reflecting. But yeah, the drones follow me. I mean, the aliens follow me, then the government follows the drones. See the difference? See that motherfucker? That's the government, and this is the drone. See his nice fully powered white lights that the government can't imitate those without staying in the air for probably 5 minutes, and then it crashes. So I'm not zoomed in. Or yeah, I guess I am zoomed in. Okay, yeah, look, we got all three of them in this picture. The moon, the government over in the bottom left-hand corner, and my alien buddy who follows me. I decided not to go to the store though, so I turned around. Sorry guys. Anyways, you guys saw it with your own eyes. Over and out. You hear that up there? Not the prick.